Hey, my name's Florian. I'm the CEO and founder of Soundpreneur, and I'm a 92 Express mentor.
Hi everyone, I'm Nancy. Welcome to our manufacturing tutorial. Today we're excited to have Florian from Soundpreneur to share his experience. Hi Florian, what is the differences between industrial designer, mechanical designer, or product designer?
Yeah, so I remember when I started out of university with Soundpreneur and wanting to build my own consumer electronics device, it seemed like black magic to me because I didn't even know where to start when it comes to building the final product. For example, how do you actually get the casing to be just the right fit for the electronics so that the button would work and all these things, right? And so to give a brief overview, to build a hardware product, you basically need 4 different things, I would say. You need an electrical engineer who develops the PCB that's on the inside. Then you need a firmware engineer who writes the software that runs on the PCB. Then you need a mechanical designer who can make sure that your product is durable and survives over a long period of time and is manufacturable and all those kind of things. And then you need an industrial designer that can make sure your product looks beautiful. And depending on what kind of product you are making, certain parts here may be very easy or very complicated. For example, in the case of the Soundpreneur Core, the mechanical and industrial design is extremely complicated because there's so little space in a wearable device and you have to cram in the electronics. So everything has to be just perfect and there can't be any leftover space. But if you make like a speaker, maybe you have completely different challenges when it comes to that. And maybe if you make a Wi-Fi router, it doesn't matter. So it really depends on your product, but this is to give you a rough overview. Yeah.
Thank you, Florian. I believe everyone will have more questions to ask. If you want to join our live session of our 92 Express, click the link at the profile. If you find the video useful, comment, like, and share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.